Hello students, today we are going to learn another exercise of exponents. Here the chapter is exponents and we are going to learn to write the following numbers in standard form. Standard form is also known as your scientific form. Now if I have number 530.7 in scientific form, what I need to do, I need to write the decimal after first digit. So I have to write the decimal after first digit. Now I am shifting the decimal sign from here to here, means I am shifting two times. So I can write 530.7. Here I am multiplying with 100 and dividing with 100 also. See here, when I am dividing with 100, this will shift two digit here, this decimal sign. So I can write 5.307 multiplied with 100, or 100 can be written as 5.307 into 10 to power 2. So this is our required answer. You can write it directly also, because we are shifting two digit decimal sign, we are shifting two digit left. So just I can write here 10 power 2. Now I am taking another question. I have 3,1865 and I have 5 zeros. Now I need to write this in standard form. See, in standard form I told you that I need to put decimal after the first digit. So let us count how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. So here I can write 3.1865. We can skip these zeros into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we can just write 9 zeros at the back, or I can directly write 3.185 multiplied with 10 to power 9. So this is our answer. One more question let me take. So I have 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I need to put decimal sign after the first digit. So here I will put decimal sign and I will write. Now I can just skip last all the zeros. And here let us count how many digits were there after here. After this 7, how many digits are here? So we have first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits are there. So directly we can write 10 to power 10. This is our answer. Now I am taking another question. We need to write the given numbers in usual decimal notation. Now here the decimal notation is given, your standard notation or scientific notation is given. Suppose I am taking the question 1.234 into 10 to power 6. This means that 1.234 is multiplied with, we will write 6 zeros. So here I will have 6 zeros. Now what I need to do, I will shift this decimal sign 6 digit on the right, because I am multiplying. So here 1, 2, 3, and here I need to just shift 3 digit more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have shifted this decimal sign 6 digit on the right. So this is our required answer. This is the decimal form and this is your standard or scientific form. Let me take one more question. 9.083 into 10 to power 11. Now here I can write 9.083 and I will write 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have written 11 zeros here. Now I will shift this decimal sign 11 digits to the right. So here let us copy this 083. Now this was your first digit. After decimal sign, this is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After decimal, I should have 11 digits. So these are 11 digits. So this is our answer. Now I am taking another question. Third question, express the numbers appearing in the following statements in the scientific notation. Now here decimal notation is given, you need to write in scientific notation. So to write in scientific notation, I need to just write the decimal after the first digit. So here I will write decimal after the first digit. Now I will count how many digits are there after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. So I will write 10 to power 9 and unit is meter. Let us work on this question. Here also I need to write decimal after the first digit. So here I am writing decimal after the first digit. Now I need to count how many digits are there after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 digits are there. So I will write 10 to power 11 stars. So this is our answers. Now I am taking another question. Compare the following. We have these numbers. We need to compare that which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now here we have 14 exponent. So I need to shift this decimal sign 14 digit. So here 4, 3. I will just count with 3. So first digit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now here I have 17 exponents, so I need to just shift this sign 17 digits here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now I can see here that the total number of digits are 18 here and the total number of digits are your 15 here. So obviously this is your smaller and this will be your greater. So from here you can write that 4.3 into 10 to power 14 is smaller than your 3.01 into 10 to power 17. By exponents also you can express that this one is greater because exponent here is greater. Now in the next question we can see that exponents are equal. Here exponents are equal, so it means just I need to check these digits. The one which will be greater will be equal. So here I can see that 1 point, here also 1 point. Now this is your 4, here also you have 4, then you have 3 here it is also 3. Now here you have 9 and here you have 3. So I will compare 9 with 3. So we can see that 9 is greater. So because rest of the things are same, 9 is greater than this 3. So it means this digit will be greater. So directly I can write 1.439 into 10 to power 12 is 1.43 into 10 to power 12 is greater than your 1.4335 into 10 to power 12. Fifth question is write the following numbers in expanded exponential form. You have done expanded form in your lower classes. Let us write that first. Now after 2 there are 5 digits, so I can just write 5 zeros. Now after 7 I have 4 digits, so I can write 4 zeros. After 9 we have 3 digits, so I can write 3 zeros. After 4 I have 2 digits plus 0. 0 we can skip, doesn't matter. Okay. Now in exponential form I need to write. Now because I have 5 zeros, so 2 into 10 to power 5 plus we have 4 zeros here, so 7 into 10 to power 4 plus we have 3 zeros here, so 9 into 10 to power 3. We have 2 zeros here, so 4 into 10 to power 2 plus I can skip this plus 4, and because we don't have any 0, so 10 to power 0. So this is our answer. Let us try next one. Now in this question we have 2, and after 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So I can just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 8. I can write 6 zeros because after 8 we have 6 digits. Now 0, I can skip this 0, then I come with 6. After 6 I have 4 digits, so 4 zeros I will write. Then 1, 3 zeros plus 9, I have 2 zeros, again 0 I can skip, and 6. Now this can be written in expanded exponential form. So here I was having 7 zeros, so I will write 10 to power 7 plus 8. I have 6 zeros here, so 8 into 10 to power 6 plus I have 4 zeros here, so 6 into 10 to power 4 plus 1 into 3 zeros are there, so 10 to power 3 plus 9 into 10 to power 2 plus 6 into 10 to power 0. Now another question is, find the number for each of the expanded form. Here exponential expanded form is given, we need to write the number. So here 4, we have 10 to power 5, so it means I need to put 5 zeros at last. Here we 10 to power 3, so I need to put 3 zeros at last. Then I have 10 to power 2, so plus 3, and I will put 2 zeros. Plus here I will put no 0 because we have 10 to power 0. Now adding all these I will get, then 0. So here the answer is 4,05,302. The easiest way to write this is that here we have 10 to power 5, so I will make 6 places. Now here 10 to power 5 is that here, so I will just leave 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will leave 5 places and I will write 4 here. Then I have 10 to power 3, I will leave 3 places and I will write 4. So I will leave these 3 places and I will write 5 here. Then here we have 10 to power 2, I will leave 2 places and I will write 3 here. And here there is no, so at last I will write 2, and rest of the places I will just fill with 0. So this is our required answer. Let us work one more. Now another question is 8 into 10 to power 7 plus 3 into 10 to power 4 plus 7 into 10 to power 3 plus 5 into 10 to power 2 plus 8 into 10 to power 1. Now here I can just write 7 zeros at last because we have 10 to power 7. Here I will write 4 zeros at last because I have 10 to power 4. Here 3 zeros with 7, 2 zeros with 5 and 1 zero with 8. Now adding all this I will get the answer. So 7, then adding 3 and 1, 8. So adding all these, this is our answer. Now the easiest way to write the answer is, I will just make 8 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we have 10 to power 7 here, so I will make 8 places. Now 10 to power 7, leave 7 places and write 8 here. Then we have 10 to power 4, leave 4 places and write 3 here. Then we have 7 with 3 zeros, so 3 places I will leave and I will write 7 here. Then 2 places I will leave and I will write 5 here. Then 1 place I will leave and I will write 8 here. Now on rest of the places I will write 0. So this is our required answer.